Understanding, securing a seat. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, securing a seat. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about English idioms, this video will help you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in. In its most basic form, securing a seat means to obtain a place to sit. This can be in a classroom, on a bus, at a concert, or any place where seating is limited. It implies that there's a competition or scarcity of seats, and one has successfully managed to get one. For example, I arrived early to secure a seat at the front of the lecture hall. Beyond its literal meaning, securing a seat is often used metaphorically. In a broader context, it refers to gaining a position or opportunity in something competitive. For instance, securing a seat in a prestigious university or a job in a reputed company. It conveys the idea of achievement or success in a challenging situation. 1. Education. He worked hard to secure a seat in his dream college. 2. Professional. She secured a seat on the board of directors after years of dedication. 3. Events. Fans lined up early to secure the best seats for the concert. In these examples, the phrase underscores effort and success in obtaining something valuable or desired. Understand the context. Always pay attention to the context in which the phrase is used, literal or metaphorical. Use it to emphasize effort. This phrase is excellent for highlighting the effort and achievement in competitive scenarios. Practice. Try using securing a seat in different sentences and scenarios to get comfortable with its usage. I hope this video helps you understand and use securing a seat in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep practicing and exploring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.